Say, folks, take a gander at this fella here. An utterly average-looking driving instructor rolling up to the old give-way junction. His view? Well, it's about as clear as a London fog in November. Hey, instructor! Over here, chum. Hold everything. Why, are you really about to shove that heap straight onto the main drag? Well, I'll be. That's the kind of harebrained stunt that gets your bonnet bent and your ego flatter than yesterday's ginger ale. Why, you'd be just another road roamer, cut from the same cloth as those nitwits clogging up Britain's boulevards today. Now listen here, Professor of Parallel Parking. If you can't see, surely you've got to know what to do. Ah, that's it. A little window wizardry. Roll down those electrified panes, lean in, and presto. Sightlines sharper than a sergeant's salute. That's the ticket. Creep forward like a cat burglar, nice and easy. Wow, nice going, instructor. You heard that fellow coming along the road long before you saw his motor vehicle. But don't forget, those sneaky cyclists are quieter than a church mouse on Sunday, unless they're yammering about their calf muscles or their stamp collections. So keep your shirt on, pal, no rushing. Well done, Mr. Average Driving Instructor. You've cracked the case of the blind junction. Why, if everyone showed that much gumption, our roads wouldn't be jam-packed with ninny hammers and noodle heads. Driving instructors, teaching your kids the stuff you were too busy watching TikTok to bother with.